Today in the Detail Garage, I thought I would show you guys a really quick and easy way and efficient way to restore your headlights. So we brought in this daily driven Saturn, and as you can see, it's not exactly in the best shape. It's actually pretty awful. And the headlights, they're really taken away from the overall look of the vehicle. Now you can see it's got this yellowing, oxidation, the dead plastic on there, and I want to show you guys the quickest way to remove it without using a machine and simply by doing it by hand. Now you can replace these headlights, which are about 40 to 60 bucks a piece, or with one simple product. With a little bit of headlight restorer, you can scrub away any oxidation, yellow, dead plastic, and restore clarity. Now all you have to do is shake up the bottle just like you're using any kind of polish. And then we're going to apply 3 dots to our applicator pad. And to begin today, I already washed the face of the vehicle with a little bit of EcoSmart. That wiped away any of the road debris, light dust, and anything else that was on the headlight. And then also clayed it so that it can remove any of the embedded impurities so that we're not rubbing them into the surface or scratching it or giving it some kind of marring effect. But now to begin, just like when we're polishing, we're going to blotch it out. And then using a little bit of elbow grease, we're going to work it back and forth, up and down in a cross-hatching pattern. And then removing all the dead oxidized plastic to reveal clarity. Again, this is going to be a real simple way to restore your headlights, because if you have a car that's in this shape, chances are you're not looking to spend a whole lot of money on new headlights. And if you're going to be polishing your headlights, you probably don't want to spend the extra money on a new polisher. So this is one of the most efficient, cost-effective ways to, again, restore your headlights, bring back some of the life into your car. And it's also a great way to get, a little bit into the detailing world, a little bit of hands-on training there too. So we'll start just by scrubbing it. This takes a little bit of time, but with patience, you'll get the best results. And there you have it. You see, in just a couple minutes with relatively light scrubbing, it removed the yellow, the oxidized look on the headlight, kind of removed some of that cataract look, and now you've got restored clarity. And it didn't take all that much time, no effort really, and it's a pretty simple to use product. Now you can also use this with a machine. You can use it with your foam applicator pad or microfiber applicator pad. But I like the foam because this gives you a little bit of extra cut, but also it contours because it has these kind of bulges and some kind of contour on the headlight. This way you can get all the crevices, all the angles, so you're restoring an even key over the entire surface, and this way you can get the most clarity. Now you can also use this with a machine, which I'll show you guys on that headlight over there. And then once you've got it completely clear, just like this headlight, you want to wipe it off. You can use an IPA or wipeout to remove any kind of residue that's on the headlight, and then you want to protect it using something like Jet Seal. You can use your favorite wax, or if you want to go even further, you can put a coating like Carbon Flex C9 on there to resist any kind of UV rays or harsh elements. So if you guys like this video, or if you have a car just like this and you want to see more things on this car, let us know down below, give us a thumbs up. Check out this project on our website, chemicalguys.com, or at your local detail garage. And as always, we'll see you guys next time right here in the Detail Garage.